guys, if you see this, I'm gonna take 30-minute ride with this ferry from Circular Quay to all the way Manly Beach. Just come from the Manly. The passengers are getting off. We're waiting for all the passengers to get off first.
Sorry, what? I will pay you.
Bye-bye, Farhan. Oh, it's so really fast. I'm pretty scared right now. Look at the jet boarding speed. Oh my god. Water literally come to my face. Look at the power of the engine of this ferry. It's not looking straight, it's a bit scary, yeah? Let's go to the downstairs and check the view from the downstairs. It's almost 5 o'clock, 5:40. Alex, where are we gonna go?
Huh?
Where are we gonna go next?
To the beach.
So now I am heading to the Manly Beach. I can't go further because I wear my shoes. This is the Manly street. Alex, have you ever worked here?
Nope.
No?
Too far.
Too far, yeah.
Right,
Too far.
yeah.
But still some people work
Yeah.
and then they come from all the way to Circular Quay to the Manly. I need to tap our card here. You can see it's cost $10.
Thank you.
So there is other line that is pretty much full, which I don't want to use. This is the fast ferry. This is which will go to directly to the Circular Quay from the Manly. The gate is already open now. The passenger is still getting on board. It's the huge ferry. It's the capacity of 101 passenger on this ferry. I'm going to back to the Circular Quay from Manly. It's already 5 o'clock, so it's evening time. It's pretty cold. That's why I wear my jacket. Green signal. Let's go. It's already a start now.